Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here to give you guys a real quick demo. It's going to be part of a song that I haven't heard in a while. It's a Toni Braxton song. If you guys know, back in the day, Toni Braxton was hot, amazing voice, beautiful sound, but what really caught my attention is how well this song is recorded. I'd never paid attention to it. Of course, back in the day, I didn't have, well, I did have type of SQ system, but not like a full-blown SQ system like I have now. So I never paid attention to how well it's recorded, but I did notice that anything that has the artist babyface on it in the producer's seat is always going to be good, man. Please listen to this song with headphones. It's a very warm, natural sounding recording. It's one of the best I've heard in a long time. And of course, I attribute that to these Morel speakers and my tuning, you know. Also, really quick before we get into the demo, I want to let you guys know, some of you have said that you're not getting notifications that my videos are posting. So if you could, if you don't mind, hit the notification bell somewhere around there. I know you're subscribed. I absolutely appreciate that. But if you can hit the notification bell, that'll be helpful. That way you get to see my videos when they actually are released, as opposed to days or weeks later after they've already been circulated. I mean, I appreciate you guys watching, regardless if it's the launch date or a month or a year or any time later. But if you're not getting the notifications that I'm posting new videos, please hit the subscribe bell and notification, and you'll get them when I drop them. All right, on to the demo.
I'll always think of you inside of my private thoughts. Can't imagine you touching my private heart. And just the thought of you, I can't help but touch myself. That's why I want you so bad. This one night, right there with you there beside me. All night, doing it again and again. You know I want you so bad, baby, 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 baby. Ooh, I get so high when I'm around you, baby. I can touch the sky. You make my temperature rise, baby. You're making me high. And in my mind of you, I think I might be obsessed. The very thought of you makes me want to get undressed. I wanna be with you in spite of what my heart says. I guess I want you to bad. All I want is you there inside me. Oh, baby, doing it again and again and again. You know I want you so bad, baby, 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 ooh, baby. Ooh, I get so high when I'm around you, baby. I can touch the sky. You make my temperature